Lost your iCloud backup? Don't worry, there are ways to recover it and restore your data. In this video, we'll show you simple methods to recover deleted iCloud backups and guide you through restoring your important information. Part 1. Can you recover deleted iCloud backup? Yes, you can recover deleted iCloud backups. iCloud has a recently deleted folder, and other backup methods can help increase recovery chances. Part 2. How to recover deleted iCloud backup from iCloud website. 1. Go to the iCloud website and sign in. 2. Click the settings icon and select Recently Deleted at the bottom right. 3. Click Recover All to restore all backups or select specific files and click Recover. Part 3. How to recover deleted backup from iCloud via File app. Open the Files app on your iPhone. Click on Recently Deleted under the Locations tab. Locate the file you wish to restore and check the box next to it. Tap Restore File S to revive your file. Part 4. Cover deleted iCloud backup with iOS Data Recovery Tool. Mobican Doctor for iOS is essential for recovering lost data from your device, iTunes, or iCloud backups. It lets you preview and select specific data to restore, saving time and storage by avoiding full data recovery. Step 1. Initially, download and install Doctor for iOS on your computer. Run it and select Recover from iCloud from the main interface. Step 2. On the next screen, you will have to sign in with your Apple ID and password to view and access your iCloud backups. Select the category of data you wish to retrieve and click Next. Step 3. Finally, preview and select the deleted items that you want back, and click Recover to Computer to save the recovered data on your computer.